We're going to be driving this Corvette ZR1 from North Carolina down to Atlanta. It has 15.5-inch carbon ceramic brakes in the front, and in the rear it's got these beautiful 335 tires with 15-inch brake rotors in the rear. This car has a beautiful stance with all of its aluminum and carbon fiber body panels. I love all the intakes and flares. It has a stock exhaust, but it has baffles that open up, making it louder. Here you can see a lot of the carbon fiber trim they've added to the ZR1. One thing I noticed already, this clutch is heavy. Oh, God. Not a Honda. I don't know if you can see, right there is the head-up display. So I got to drive this 650 horsepower Z06 to Atlanta from North Carolina. Haven't driven a manual in a while, so I'm a little nervous. Clutch is heavy as a tractor. Definitely not a Miata or a Honda, I'll tell you that. And the ride is stiff. I mean, this is really a track car. You sit so low. Not too bad to drive. Of course, I do have it in touring mode, so it shouldn't be kicking off the wheel spin too bad. I'm not going to put it in sports mode for sure. I will tell you, this thing is super loud inside. Driving a ZR1 through the mountains, but you can't floor it because your wife is in front of you in a minivan with your kids. That's called self-control. But the carbon ceramic brakes are nice. So at 70 miles an hour, if I can catch my wife, I'll just put my foot down in 6th gear. There's a decent amount of trunk space in the back to carry a few bags. Popping the hood reveals the carbon fiber hood. You'll notice a little cutout for the supercharger. That's the supercharger on top, that's silver there. This is the legendary LS9 V8. It is carbon. Look at that. Oh, it's super light. You just push it.
Just drop it.
Yeah. 97 degrees in North Georgia, and the air conditioning in the Corvette is not very strong, let's just say that. After driving this car from North Carolina to Atlanta, I have a few takeaways. If you're driving it on a crisp morning through mountain roads and your favorite twisties, this is an incredible car. It has amazing torque and it's fun to drive. However, when you hit 100 degrees in Atlanta in traffic, pushing that clutch down, it can be a little tough. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.